General Electric's second quarter profit beat estimates despite a very challenging global economy. Katrina has more.
General Electric is America's largest conglomerate in terms of sales. The company makes everything from wind turbines to washing machines. It also provides loans to mainly small and medium-sized companies. Because its tentacles branch out to so many businesses, it is seen as a barometer of the global economy. In the second quarter of this year, GE's sales rose more than 2% to top $36 billion. Its profits fell 16% due to one-time charges. Minus those charges, profits rose 2.5%.
I thought the earnings were decent. I thought that the industrial side of the business grew fairly well, particularly given the headwinds that we have in Europe. And the financial side of the business actually had a very good quarter, which was wholly driven by the real estate business.
The company sold a substantial part of its real estate holdings, which helped drive profits in GE Capital, the company's finance sector.
In recent years, General Electric has increased its focus on the industrial side of its business, particularly the energy sector. And that move has paid off. Industrial sales were up in every region except Europe. In China, they were up 24%.
There's demand for energy infrastructure to support the growth in the emerging markets, and that demand for that infrastructure isn't going to go away just because the economies in Asia, for example, slow, or the economies in Europe dip.
S&P Capital IQ has a buy recommendation on the stock, but Charles Otel, the managing director of research firm Newport Value Partners, doesn't believe GE is a good company to invest in.
It's spread too thin. It's in too many different things around the world. It's too rooted to the advanced world where there are contingent costs, environmental costs, legal costs, pension costs that are tough to deal with.
GE CEO Jeff Immelt admitted the environment continues to be challenging, but the company still expects double-digit profit growth in 2012. Perhaps that's why the stock has risen 10% this year. Katrina, CCTV, New York.